this because this is too low. Maybe tomorrow I can do one thing, maybe put it a little bit on the eye level. I'm just using a very default stand right now. Let's play some music though. Chill vibe, happy vibes today. What kind of music we want? Not techno. Maybe play some cinematic. Period drama, independent movie, independent movie. Yo, this is good. Wow, 4 people already here. Let's see. Pop out the chat. Let's put it here. Who is here? Hey Varun, hello, hello, hello. Shubham, hello, right on time. Harshit, late. Just 1 minute, I guess. 2 minutes. Today's sad IPL match starting late and Div 2. Is it raining in IPL match? It's not raining on my end though. Just started 2 minutes late, guys. Just 2 minutes. I was just finishing my dinner. Yeah, exactly. Okay. Cool, cool. So today is a very, a good day because I want to talk about a new thing which I just found like few hours back. And when I was creating a thumbnail, I thought, well, definitely this is something we can all check in this chat, right? So this is called Zencoder. I haven't used it before. I just saw it somewhere on someone mentioning it on Twitter, and I thought, okay, let's try this out. First of all, did anyone of you know about this? Raining in UK also, cloud in Delhi. I saw clouds in Goa also, so maybe now the monsoon is like coming. Get started. So yeah, let's go. Let's check what Zencoder can do and if this is something which we can help. I don't know what's happening. I'm having some itchy feeling on my mustache. GitHub, Google. Well, Google, I guess. This is bad. What's happening? So I'll use this. Continue. So guys, what's happening? Today's what, weekend, right? Friday. What's the plan for the weekend? I'll be off tomorrow and Sunday, and we'll be seeing you guys on Monday. But before that, I have company name. Let's say PostHandle. Also, like, I have started posting memes, shorts on Instagram. I'm just warming up that channel before going full blow attack on short form content. So yeah, look out for that. Shubham, May is not even here in monsoon. I mean, it's raining almost everywhere now. So maybe an early monsoon. And I was watching some weather forecast that this year it will be the super hot season all over India. And the only thing which can save us is ganne ka juice. All these memes are all over my Instagram these days. VS Code, install for VS Code. Okay. I missed yesterday's live. I watched that live. Oh, okay, Varun. Thank you. Thank you for watching it. And thank you for joining today. I guess you are busy with IPL. So let's see Zencoder. I already have like, I think 10 other AI related extensions, and I just want to see what Zencoder can do. So before we can start Zencoder downloading, let's see what they are saying on their landing page. Meet the next gen AI coding agent. Okay, so this is similar to what a coding agent is, the most integrated, customizable, and intuitive coding agent. This is all marketing words. I don't believe them. Let's see what's in action. Okay, fancy. Write a sorting algorithm. Wow, what an example. 10x faster. 10x faster than what? Very fancy. Very fancy. A game changing. Add Google sign up and authentication. Okay. Nothing new. Anybody can do it. Anybody, any other IDE can do it. Our agents go beyond surface level. How? All of them can support language. It's based on LLM, so nothing new. Did a unit test. I mean, dude. You haven't told us anything unique about it, which is not there. Trusted by big companies. Well, you know what does this mean? Trusted by this company. Anytime any employee of Disney might like try this tool, maybe like their intern try this tool and they have a domain at disney.com, They will say like trusted by world's innovative teams. This is how this trusted bar works usually. The best AI coding agent. So generally, I'm very skeptical about any coding agent which is coming out now, since like Cursor and Windsurf has taken the throne for a while. Even now, I'm very skeptical about VS Code can even come make a comeback. Agentic pipeline, AI that improved itself. Request syntax correction. Build workflow with tools. One good thing is they are supporting a lot of IDs, not just VS Code. So that's one of the differentiation I can see here. Autocomplete, unit testing, code review, chat assistant, custom agents. This is what I'm interested in. What is this custom agent? How it's helpful than other agents here? Shubham, what short form content? Short form content on PostHandle, like to post or meme and then running a small ad, because I want to get more users on that. And what do you guys think? I'm thinking, is it like 12 days enough for finishing the short? Like, I think I started marketing from day 4 yesterday, and I'm thinking that isn't the deadline too close? 30th April? Maybe I should like extend it a bit. I don't know. Let's see. This week, next week, I'm just full blown marketing of PostHandle. Let's see how many users we can get. I'm also thinking to connect with a lot of meme creator pages. Let's see if they reply back, and I'll give them some sort of a deal. Like if they bring these many users sign up using their account, I might give them something. So to make it lucrative for them. By the way, Varun, thank you, man. Thank you shared about the story on your page Instagram. I saw that. Shubham, 20 rupees, bada. Yes, those memes. Those are like spread across my Instagram. Harshit, have you tested the season's mangoes yet? No, not yet. Yo, 5 minutes late. I was also late in. So yeah, we are even. I will tell you one account. Yeah, give me some accounts if you guys know anyone who has a decent following on these memes creation field. I would like to talk to them. So another is sign up in just 1 minute. Sign up, open. So no, Zencoder is not here. Zencoder is here. So try to sign up with this. Open, signing with Zencoder, auth. Taking a too long time to sign up. See this one now, every meme. See this one now, what? See this, what? Allows encoder, don't ask me again, open. So configure plugin settings. What is the plugin here? First of all, I have so many things installed. Zencoder. So there are 13 plugins. All these are plugins. Interesting. Explore shortcut instruction on AI. Chat without project will not be saved. Code, generate new feature, review, unit test, run with command shift automatically. Coding agent. Coding agent is what? Use the advanced AI workflow to perform common development tasks such as bug fixing, refactoring, or new feature development, recommended for complex queries. And then you can add more context. To be honest, I'm like, so far I don't think it has anything which we cannot have anywhere else, but I still want to test it out. So let's open our document, coding, PostHandle. Where is PostHandle? Venshu projects, PostHandle. Let's open it up. Where is it? Zencoder, right? Can you add a new page called game at root/game Zencoder, which, wait, I need to allow this, which will show a hexagon rotating, and inside that we have 3 colored balls falling with gravity of Earth. Let's see. Uh, Perfect for you. You're okay. Hi Dev. Hey Amit. Welcome. Happy life. Yo, 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 yo. Team is here. All members are here. Are you going to run ads? In the I'm thinking maybe. Let's see if things work out without ad. I'm like okay with that. Let's see till Sunday. But if not, then yeah. Next week I'll run some ads. Yes. Like I want to get as much eyeballs as possible so that at least I people like get to know about it. Happy Life just made a simple Telegram MCP server today to learn about MCP. Awesome, Happy Life. Do share your learnings about MCP. By the way, I made this app, like I started making this app, which is called Bridge. As you can see on my toolbar, it's here. And currently it doesn't do anything. It just shows this window. So this is a Mac app I'm building. This will be an iOS and Mac app, the whole Bridge app. And I'm following like, you know, the chat GPT kind of app style for it because, well, kind of the app idea is similar. Not like an AI LLM agent, but more on for couples. Shubham, happy. I hope today I complete UI UX. Varun, the comments window gets stuck, I think. OBS issue. What? Shit. Oh shit, the whole window is stuck. My bad, guys. Let me restart it. Restart capture. You can see it now. Okay. Perfect. I'm sorry. This OBS sometimes does this. So I was showing you this app. As you can see on my menu bar here, Bridge. So this is the app which I'm building. And if you click on it, currently it just opens this window, which I was designing. Majorly, I was designing this input text bar, which was highly inspired by ChatGPT's input text bar. So you can type here anything and you know, this button gets enabled. I'm adding this audio bar, then you can add some files. Currently, I'm just building locally. Like the idea is to have a complete ChatGPT kind of UI here, and there the options will be changing. It will not be GPTs and ChatGPT. So this is just a basic setup of the app, Mac app, and this is a Mac and iOS both in Swift UI. I'm not doing React Native for this one. I want the fluidity and it should be very quick. I do not want to bloat with Electron and stuff. My experience with that Magnet app has not been that great. It's so bloaty. Bro, your screen stuck. Sorry, guys. It's back. I think something wrong with screen. It's back. Sorry, my bad. Shashank. Hello, guys. Hey, Shashank. Welcome back. 2 days in a row. Wow. You really like us then, Shashank. By the way, did you see this? Did you see this meme? I can't stop laughing. You know, this one. Wipe coding versus bug. This is wipe coding with bug is. This is so true. Shubham, it's perfect for PostHandle. What is perfect for PostHandle, Shubham? I think I have missed your, like, the context somewhere. Vedant. Hi, Divyanshu. Hey, hi, Vedant. Happy life. You know Swift UI. I thought you just know React Native. Happy life. I have been around these alleys for a long time. I made a fully functioning Swift UI chat application called Blind Match, which I made when Swift UI was only 6 months old. And back then the whole API after that was changed. The whole UI layer was changed. And so yeah, I mean, once you learn one language, it's not that hard to make on multiple languages. So I have built on Swift UI, I have built on Kotlin. I built one small app for myself with Compose UI, which was by Android. And so I use React Native because it's the most quickest way for me without spending much time. But if I want to spend time, I want to really polish something, then I always go for the native ways. Hey, Badal, yo. Wow, today I think there are a lot of more guys joining. What's the tally here? Where is my... Here, restream. Okay, 10. Daily tally. It's a daily tally. Varun, what about that Magnet app? Varun, I shared about it yesterday. So do you want to see the demo just for Varun? Again, I think all of you guys already know about Magnet app by now. So this is the Magnet app. So this is kind of a postman on steroids. So you know what you can do is the idea basically is you can click on new collection, then you give a path to your folder where you are writing your backend APIs, and by just clicking on start auto detect, it will bring out all the API endpoints like post, get, and everything will be put in, and it will put it here on this without me typing anything on this app. So AI does all of these things, so it makes my life as a developer very, very simple. Then all the like in fact the input parameters are filled, even the headers are filled. You can have the token which you can add directly here, and everything is like automatically filled with this app. And then so recently I was telling earlier, like I built this feature where it automatically saves, autosave feature. So if I type something, it will just save it immediately. This is something which I wrote, and there is the skull command optimization which I wrote for it. Like you can add any curl and it will be checked. And the third thing which I recently worked on, what was that? Oh yeah, I worked on this thing. Currently, if you refresh the window or close the app and open it, it does not remain in the same page. So it remains in same page now. Then I'm writing this overview fix. So currently what happens is if you click on update operation, okay, it has logged me out. Yeah, this happens when your token is expired. So yeah, this is the Magnet app. It's basically Postman with a lot of AI in it. But I'm loving working on this app, to be honest. Like it's kind of an app which is made for me. It's my app. I'm building it with the team, and it's made for me. So that's the fun part about it. Shubham, I reposted this meme. Shubham, which meme? You mean this one, vibe coding one? Which meme are we talking about, Shubham? I think we are on two different parallel universes right now. So true. So true about what? Again, my context window has lost the chat. I have a short context window. Oh yeah, Shashank is building his own LLM. Yes, Varun. I think you saw in yesterday's stream. Happy life. Damn, I am an embryo compared to your knowledge. No, man. No, it's just, you know, 10 years is a very, very long time. Very long time. And you get to like dabble around these technologies. It's not that big of a deal. Totally. Amit, wow, nice app. Thank you, Amit. Amit, you work on backend, right? So yeah, you must be like the real user for this app. Happy Friday, fellow coders. Hey, Blinken Codes, welcome. Happy Friday. Today was Good Friday, right? Yeah, today was a holiday of all of my friends who do jobs. But it was not a holiday for me. I'm still grinding in this cave. Okay, see, your chat is cooked. I'll put you on Discord. Okay, yeah, please put on Discord. Love the thumbnail, by the way. So I'm thinking yesterday Happy Life gave me a very bad critique on my last thumbnail which I tested with, and today I thought let's do something unique. So I made this. I love this season. If anybody of you has not seen it, it's Sunny in Philadelphia. Do watch it. It's one of my favorite shows ever existed in the world. Like even today, if I get any reel of It's Sunny in Philadelphia, I just laugh my ass off. So that's Charlie, by the way, on that thumbnail, and it's one of the most famous episodes in It's Sunny in Philadelphia where he becomes a postman. And yeah, I don't want to talk about it more, but yeah, it's that's how I came to that thumbnail. Shivam, sent on personal. Cool. I'll just check it out. Shivam just joined. How is this editor so far? Shivam, I just gave it one thing to do, and I don't think it has done it. Enable and try coding engine. Trying to modify code fix block. Enable. Yes, enable. So let's see. I have asked it to make one like a gaming page and make a game for me, which we were doing yesterday in our stream, testing all the models, how good they perform. I've given the same task to it, and let's see what it does. By the way, it hasn't asked me anything about payment, so maybe it's free for a while. Varun, I want to start learning Swift, but there's just one tiny problem. My machine runs Windows and my phone is iOS. It's like trying to learn how to ride a unicycle while wearing rollerblades. Varun, big warning, flash warning if I have anything. Don't try to learn Swift on Windows. Only code in Swift, only and only if you have Mac or Mac OS. It can work with some hacky ways, but in the end, you like Swift in itself is such a brain fuck sometimes with its API updates and how less of LLM knows about them. You know, the best results you get in LLMs is for React and JS. This is what I have found so far. The best results which they can work on is React is the best framework it can work on, and Next.js is one of the best framework it can work on. Other than that, Swift, you know, I made this window app, this one, and to make this translucent thing which you can see, it took me like almost half an hour just to make this translucent, this background. It was because I think the API keep on changing. Swift UI just keep upgrades and do massive upgrades on their whole APIs, and LLMs are not catching up to that speed, so they always fuck up. Blinken, I'm at work today. We don't get Good Friday off. The kids are out of school though. Ah, okay. Yeah, I think it's a holiday here in India on Good Friday. I just came from the beach and I saw there's a church on my way. It was a huge crowd there. The road was almost blocked. Hint, Prisma is driving me crazy. Prisma is... Yeah, Prisma can be... I don't know what part of it is making you crazy, because Prisma to me feels like, you know, these days we have these Prisma and all. I am coming from those days where you have to write raw SQLs. You don't have any ORMs or tools like Prisma. Okay, so it's saying it has done the changes. Apply. Let's see what Zencoder has done for us. Prisma is driving me crazy. Prisma is easy, to be honest. Skill issues. Can you share learning resources? Varun, what's the app right side to OBS? Ah, Bridge. This is my own app. I'm building it right now. Like I told you guys, right, long back. This is called Bridge. This is for couples to manage like their couple thing, like for marriage couples. And I had this idea discussed with my wife, with one of my friend, and we thought like this is something I personally would love to have. So this is kind of a reminder for all the events in your life, and it gives you nudges on like gamifying your relationship. That was the idea I shared with my friend, and he said, yes, I'm in. I want to use this app. Yeah, that's the dating app for married couples. No, it's not. It's not. Amit, sometimes it's pain to work with Prisma. I can understand. Yeah, compared to the only problem I had with Prisma was on those crazy migrations. Sometimes when it used to fuck up something internally, and then you have to like write everything on those migrations manually. That was the most crazy part for me while working on Prisma. Other than that, it was almost all on the upper layer, so I was like, chill. And I worked on it like I think 3 years back, 3 years back. And I mean, Prisma is indeed easy, but I was stuck in some wrong imports related to Prisma clients. Cool. Sorry if it seemed rude. Oh wow, you guys are so... Someone was telling me, someone was watching our stream, and I said, man, you're live, people are so nice there. I said, yeah, I have a bunch of nice people watching me because I am nice, you know. Okay, let's see what this thing has done for us, and then we'll move on to the other thing. Okay, let's see the game. It has not created its game Zencoder. Game Zencoder. Zencoder. Missing required component. What? Why would you do this? Why would you do this, Zencoder? I'm tired with this, man. Preparing agent respond. What happened? It has created this file which kind of looks okay to me, but maybe. Oh, okay, it's still working. Wow. Zencoder is still working. It's been almost 5 minutes now. Student of dev. What? What is this, Shubham? What is this behavior, Shubham? You have seen that meme, right? Hey, Malik. Hey, what's the name of the code editor you're using? The code editor I'm using is called VS Code, but I'm using this extension, just testing this extension out, which is called Zencoder. I just found out about this today, and someone was hyping it up on Twitter. Well, Twitter is becoming a hyping engine for AI tools, and this is what Zencoder is. So the AI coding agent. I mean, the person was hyping it very badly, like it's the cursor killer. That was the title of the thread, and that's why I just clicked on it. I baited. He baited on to me on this, and I just got baited. And now when I'm trying it out, I feel like, well, it's so far it's not doing anything extraordinary. Not even like ordinary. It's not even doing ordinary. Maybe what I can do is clean it up and run it again. Maybe clear yarn dev. Okay, let's see. Ooh, games encoder. One thing is, you see guys, the design looks very interesting, right? Type error failed. The provide double value is non-infinite. Okay, so maybe it's trying to do that, but let's say, let's give this. Blinken, we do have a good community of coders and AI enthusiasts. Yeah, right? Very polite, nice guys. And I think 3 or 4 of them are like now. Now also promote like time lapse, adding video time lapses on Twitter. And I see like, I always get motivated with that kind of content. And I think Happy Life started that trend. Happy Life has gained, I think, 2,500 or 3,000 followers on Twitter now. So yeah, watching people like getting followers and like themselves grow. I mean, like, wow, what a feeling. 0 degree. Hey, you look smart. Oh, wow. Oh, 0 degree. Thank you so much, man. That means a lot. Wow. I am happy now. Yesterday I was watching a stream and get slapped. Yeah, I can be boring sometime on my voice. Even Harshit, my editor, he told me I usually sleep while watching your streams. It seems like he likes to listen to. Have you seen this guy? I used to listen to him. Now he told me this, so I'll show you this guy. Wait, I'll show you this guy. Talk to sleep. Yeah, this one. Joe Pararata. What is his name? This guy. I used to watch him. So this is a 10-hour video. I used to play it on my speaker a long time back. And he used to speak so slow and the voice is so boring. I used to sleep like a baby in like 5 minutes. I just got reminded with it. Malik, he just tricked you into his trap. Yeah, I guess so. I got tricked into this trap. Let's see what. But good thing is I haven't paid anything. So yeah. It's still doing its thing. And I'm just testing it out. But there is no ball here. Like I asked it to draw ball. And this is so... So are we good with this Zencoder? I think it's time to just uninstall and remove this from my toolkit. Where is the extension bar here? Where are the extensions? Zencoder. I want to remove this. Yeah, man, your time is up. Restart. Okay. Sleep tight, VS Code. Till next time someone traps me again. Meanwhile, coming back to the real code which I was working on. Okay, Zencoder we have to remove. So I have worked on a lot of things today. I have created a whole S3 manager for uploading the files. There is one issue though, which I was facing. Let me open up it here, localhost. So, I'm working on this thing. I'll show you. Of uploading your own media. Downloads. So for example, this one, right? So if you click on it, see, it's uploading 50, 60, 100, upload complete. So this is your own media which you have just uploaded, and the uploading is working. I was just testing it out. What shit, it still didn't work. Okay, so this is the one thing which we have to fix. You see, there is some issue which is happening, and that is on the post endpoint we are getting a 500 internal error. This we have to look into. Okay, there's a lot of chat here. So peace. I see OpenAI in talks to buy Windsurf. Yes, yesterday I was talking about it. So there is a 3 billion talks are happening to buy Windsurf. And I mean, if OpenAI gets it, it will grow like crazy, and then they will come for Cursor, and then Cursor has to worry about a lot of things. But I don't know, like if Windsurf is there, then maybe they will not give Google Gemini. They will just make it like an OpenAI code editor. Anjana Patial, sir, I'm still waiting for the reel. Oh, Anjana, I'm really sorry. I remember. You're talking about the reel about me showing how I made that video with AI, right? Okay, let's do a poll. Start a poll. Do you want me to show it right now in this live? Okay, if we get 10 votes and if more than 50%, yes, I will show it right now. I'll make a scene and I'll just animate it. So we don't have to wait. If no, then maybe I'll think about making it later. Shubham, now making time-lapse just because it reduces my ADHD. Nice, Shubham. That's a really good habit you're building then. Hind, by the way, saw the reel. It was good. Which reel, Hind? The PostHandle reel? Thank you so much. And thanks to Harshit for editing it so well. I sent on Discord. Varun, my opinion, better to try the VS Code agent. Yeah, Varun, next week I am planning to look into VS Code agent because a lot of people on X have told me, and even I'm watching some news, YouTube videos are coming now that VS Code is as better as Cursor. So yeah, we'll try it next week. Sir, I'm still waiting. Okay. Yeah, I have also saved it to watch later, but never really watched. Okay, my context window again lost. 0 degree. The reason behind I was watching you make the stuff more good and best quality as much as possible. Bro, you are too genuine person. Love that one. Thank you, 0 degree. 0 degree is one of the most nicest person in these chats. I really love his feedbacks. Thank you, 0 degree. Anjana Badya sir. Okay, Anjana has started his, I think, bot. Blinken. I have been seeing a lot of stuff about Roo code lately. I know it's not new, but maybe it got a nice update. Roo code. This is also a lot coming on my timeline. So let's do one thing. I'll note it down. Next week, agents to test. We will test VS Code agent. We will test Roo code. Anything else which we need to test? Malik, hey, I have a quick question. Where do closed source software repos are hosted? I see GitHub and GitLab are for open source works, but where do paid softwares or any other software repos hosted on? Afnan, I mean, the question is good and I get your curiosity. So I'll tell you, basically GitHub and GitLab are not just for open source. All the closed source code also remains there. Git is a way of managing your code base. And GitHub is a hub. So Git is a, what you call, is a protocol or is a way of, committing your code. It's not of GitHub. GitHub and Git are not correlated. So earlier people were using Git locally and they were hosting on their own server. So GitHub provides a centralized way to put your Git commits directly on their server. Now, as I was working on this company as a startup, we had a closed source software. All the companies I have worked on have been closed source, and we all used GitHub, and I have also used GitLab. So they provide you this private repo. So most like PostHandle I'm making, right? I'm pushing it to GitHub, but I have a private repo. You cannot look into that. It's only for me. But the problem is GitHub still can look into that, but that's a because that company does not really care about your code base. You pay, and in private repos you have to pay. If you have a team of maybe like 2-3 engineers, each member has to pay $10 if you have to make on. That's how GitHub makes money basically. So it's not just for open source projects. For open source project, the good thing is many people can work on single project and you don't have to pay anything to GitHub, because that's what is kind of a marketing for them. Like it helps them market themselves to become like a hub for open source project as well. Similarly for GitLab, I don't think GitLab is so popular on open source project compared to GitHub. Yes, exactly. Okay, Varun, this year OpenAI mainly focusing on the developer related stuff to GPT. Yes, exactly. So this was I was telling like I think day before yesterday that I was reading about this, like the Claude, there were 2 engineers who moved to Claude, who were like the founding engineers of Claude, and they knew that OpenAI is not focusing on, you know, code quality and code training. They are becoming like a generalized AI platform. So they thought that this is a good niche to target only for developers. That's why they built Claude from the ground zero for coding focused. And that's why it became like the king of coding for a while. Now OpenAI knows about it. Like OpenAI knows like the more developers are talking about LLMs, nobody else is talking. So they want to get to this market as well, of the developer market. So I think that's the reason they're focusing more on developer tools and coding agents. Varun, OpenAI Codex. Yes, I was checking about it. I think Happy Life has also started testing Codex. But after using this thing by Claude, what was that? Code cursor code, something like that. I felt like that was not a very good UX so far. I mean, it will become great once the LLMs are at that level where you do not, like, human intervention is not required. But right now it's just a start. So I cannot trust just a terminal for everything. 0 degree. Hey, would love to see any MCP demo if it's relevant, or any Medium article. I cannot Google, but not am on that mod. 0 degree. I think Happy Life is building something with MCP, and he's also building an MCP directory. I think we looked into that. But if you are still interested, we can have a live stream where focused on MCP. Even I want to, like, I have made one MCP by myself. I want to work on another MCP. MCPs are like fun to make. It's very easy. But yeah, we'll look into that. 0 degree. Afnan Malik. Oh, that's how it works. Thanks for the great answer. You're welcome, Malik. Varun Bora. Sam said that by the end of 2025, the way developers build apps will change drastically with GPT. Yeah, I mean, that's why they are betting on these terminal tools where you just keep talking and it keeps building without human intervention. Right now, we are not there. The LLMs are not there. Sir, please check votes. Okay. Anjana really wants us to make this. Yeah, Anjana is gonna finally get what she wanted. Bro, once check Discord. I sent an account. You will like it. Okay, Shubham. Let me check it out. Shubham, to this account on Insta, you will love this account. So, Shubham, do you know this guy, or is just the account which I have to check? It has 2 lakh followers and it's a verified account. And I mean, all the memes are kind of same. Wow. All the memes can be created with our template, right? All these memes can be created with our template, and they have 2 lakh followers. This is what I'm talking about. They might enjoy using our tool. We can automate their whole process with PostHandle. Thank you for sharing this, Shubham. So this is the account which Shubham shared. Pakchot Billah. And all the videos are just one single template, and just, I think, changing this. Just changing the text on everyone. So it becomes like a new meme every time. Wow. So this is what I'm talking about. PostHandle can automate this process. You do not have to check or do anything. Yeah, exactly. It randomly came on my reel. Okay, which account is that? Yeah, Shubham, you can just share here the username. Maybe someone else can look into that. Okay, so Anjana, here we go. How to create a video from an image. Let's do it. Okay, first of all, I want to. Okay, let's do one thing. Mm, what kind of image do you want to do? So what I did was, let's take a picture first, right? So let me take a picture like this, or maybe like typing, right? Like this. Okay, so I've took one picture. I will pass it to Mac Studio. Okay, and here. Convert image. So this is the image which I just clicked. Convert, whatever. Convert this image to Ghibli style. So this is what I'm doing. Oh, okay, sure. Yeah, I think the username is something which YouTube would have problem with. Discord, yeah, let's go. Clip for Harshit again. Oh yeah, wait. Yeah, Harshit can help on that clip. And then I generally go to Replicate because I have an account in Replicate. You can go, and I go to video model. I try to use Minimax. I find Minimax is better. So what we will do is you go to Replicate. It's a paid service, so you have to pay per generation here to make it. But you can also go to Minimax official website, Minimax. So this is Minimax official website, or you can go to Kling. So these two are the best websites for creating videos right now. There is Luma Labs, there is Runway ML, there are a lot, but I generally prefer these two. Kling AI is a Chinese company. I think Minimax is also Chinese. Is this Minimax? No, I think this is not the official Minimax. Helio, this one. Helio AI. This one is, I think, the one. So Helio AI and Kling AI. These two I generally use, and we will be using this. But let's first, our image gets converted to, oh wow. Okay, so we'll use this copy image, and let's do this. Make this image, okay. A person is typing something on the keyboard with two hands, and screen is changing with code. Okay, once you start running it, I really like how it changed the chill guy. Here is the chill guy. It changed the chill guy into some lady with frock. Chill guy would not be very chill about it. So now it will start generating the video, and later on you can just, what I did was added some keyboard clicking sounds on the video and put it on there. That's how the final video was created. But let's see how it works. It's like a real-time conversion, which is happening right now. Harshit, sorry, Hind, exclusive tutorial on MCP by 12%. You want me to create a video like that? So yeah, this can take some time. It can take at least like 3-4 minutes. So while it's working, wow, Anjana Patial is very happy. Yeah, Anjana, this is just you have to do. It's Ghibli image to video. Yes. And this is all live, right? So it's such cool. Like I just clicked this picture, converted to Ghibli, and now it will be converted to a video. and I'll post it on Discord. So if anybody is interested, I really like how ChatGPT has created this image where in the screen you can see the Pomodoro timer. The Pomodoro timer circle is still visible. I don't know what it has done with my camera. It's looking weird. And what else is there? This is not a camera here on a tripod. This is a speaker. But yeah, these two images are merged. But the view is kind of similar. The lighting and all is similar. I like this. So this will take some time. This will take some time. It's a GoPro. No, it's not a GoPro. So the camera which the converted image is showing, I think that's what GoPro is. But my real camera is Osmo Pocket 3. So yeah, this is how the final video is. You can see it. Wow, it has added like a zoom in effect on it. I really like it. So you see, your image is converted to video. Pretty straightforward. I hope you are happy. You are already here, Anjana. Okay, now let's get back to our... Where is our web page? Okay, let's close this. Minions' eyes are blinking. Yeah, that's a scary part. So let's say if I upload this, I want to see what's happening, what kind of error we are getting. Payload, time, preview, user AWS user emotion is not authorized to perform on resource, failed to upload file. This is the issue. I think permissions, we have to give some permissions here. So maybe I have to move this code window here and I have to work on this one just for 1 sec, because there is some permission keys and, you know, secret keys which I need to work on. I am getting this error. Could be related to the AWS keys which we are using. Do I need to add this user to the bucket for permissions? Give me instructions on AWS console. What needs to be done? Let's see. Okay, we can close this now. End poll. This is an AWS what? Permission error. The user emotion doesn't have necessary permission. Okay, AWS console and allow. Okay, so this is not very sensitive. Now I can enable. I don't know what's happening on my post today. Some Poland's. I have a Poland energy. Maybe that's tricking in. Sign in with account that owns PostHandle temp bucket. Add a bucket policy. Go to S3 service. Bucket PostHandle. Go to permissions tab. Yes, there I am. Scroll down to bucket policy. Click on edit. Bucket policy. Click on edit, and then you just, you know, this is one of the best use of LLM. Because one of the craziest thing was how to manage these AWS consoles or create. No, I don't want to create. I already have the created user. Save changes. Okay, changes are saved. Let's see. Let's see again. Let's try to delete it and upload again. I want to also see what's happening behind the scene. Let's clear it up. Uploading 10, 20, 30, 40. But it still failed. If it's still failing, why the upload is showing? What's happening? Shubham, now I am almost done with UI of MCP registry. Oh wow, Shubham, awesome. Do share what kind of UI you guys are building. Maybe on some Discord general page. I'm also almost done with my project. We'll let you all tomorrow. Crazy guys. We all are cooking here every day. Hey Israr, hello. Hello, hello. How come Shubham and Hind doesn't have a star, but everybody else has? What happened that day? Failed to upload file. The bucket does not allow ACLS. Ah, I have to enable the ACLS as well. I think it's a quick setting I have to enable from somewhere. Yeah, ACL. The bucket has owner and force getting applied. I think we have some new viewers coming in today because I'm getting few subscribe notifications. This error indicates the S3 bucket has ACLS disabled, but our upload code is trying to set ACL when putting object. Let's fix this. Ownership setting. What you need to do: configure correct bucket policy. Log into AWS console. Go to S3. Select your bucket. Go to permission. Bucket policy. Add a policy that allows the necessary action. Let's copy this. I have to again edit it. Okay. No. Let's save this. If you need to public access to these files, either add a policy that makes specific paths public. Yes, actually I need. All the paths should be public, right? Shubham, well, happy Vishwajit got the membership too. Happy Vishwajit. Yeah, I mean, a lot of people got, who doesn't even chat. Some people would never chat got the memberships. Blinking codes, welcome new viewers. Yes, welcome everyone. I mean, let's test it out now. I hope this works this time. And I don't know why that upload is happening. Wow, now I think upload is working. Wow, upload is working. I think the request is still on. Yes, it worked. The browser threw an error. Format error. See this. Pass an on error prop to handle this. Okay, this could be because this file is not accessible. I'm pretty sure. Yes, this file is not accessible. I need to enable the permission for it. Okay, I can see the timeline video is here. Yes. The good news, the videos are coming on my bucket. And if I upload an audio, let's try with an audio. What? Bye, old viewers. Bye. So viewers come to iShowSpeed. What did iShowSpeed did? He went to, I think, China, right? For audio, this is not working as it is. It is working for audio too. I want to see if the videos are coming here. The timeline. Audio. Yes. So we have both the audio and the video coming on our backend. And there is a policy which it gets deleted automatically after 24 hours. So audio is not playing for sure. Shubham, no, just jump on the monitor and let Harshit make it a clip. He's asking you to bark on stream. Is that what iShowSpeed does? I thought they only make memes of him because he does that, and that's only they make the videos. But I think he's also a live streamer, right? He streams. I haven't seen his content ever. I just saw him on Reels. And I saw his Reels when he was in China mostly. 1 million views. I'm good with my 10 views. I'm happy. What's your thought on Google View 2? Oh yeah, I liked it. So, you know, I feel Kling AI performs way better than these, and even Minimax. View 2 is good for cinematics. So like I tried 5 videos with it, and I have tried a lot with Kling AI. So I feel Kling AI has more dynamics, and VO2's video looks very, I'll show you one video I made. So I'm making this new video about my trip to art space, and when I got access to this VO2, I thought let's make one clip, and I made this. So this is this maybe this. Do you think this clip is a good to add on my video? This is created by VO2. I said like make a person riding Royal Enfield in some remote village in Himalayas. I mean, to me it looks okay. Like if this clip is coming for maybe 2-3 seconds with the sound of a bullet and some voiceover, I mean it's good, right? Otherwise, shooting this kind of video is a big task. Like someone from the front has to be on a car or something and focused on this person and just riding. I mean, it's a very tricky shot. He's crazy, man. He black flicked the monitor. He does everything you can imagine. It's nice. Okay, then it will be part of the next video then. It will be part of the next video. Okay. I noticed the video is showing access denied. How to make all the content of this bucket to be publicly accessible. Praneeth, hi, what's your thought on Next.js, Hono, Drizzle, Cloudflare, D1? My thoughts on Next.js are good thoughts. Like I mostly use Next.js for web app. I have never used Hono. Drizzle, yes, 100%. Like I have used Prisma a lot, and then I moved to Drizzle later on. And then Cloudflare, yes, I use Cloudflare as well. And the D1, I haven't tried, but I generally use Cloudflare for my security monitoring and my domain security, CAPTCHA and all. But I think D1 is also good. Like people talk about it a lot. But if you're building an MVP, if not just learning purpose, I would say go with Next.js and Vercel as a hosting provider initially. The less the services you used, or like less services you depend on, faster you are, and it becomes much easier to manage just one service instead of like hosting everything somewhere else. Then it becomes like a big cluster to manage. So this is what my learning is. Like just use as minimum services as possible, external services, and you will be good. If you add some sound effects, nobody would know it's AI. Yeah, let's do this. This would be an experiment. Happy Life, see ya. Hey, thank you Happy Life for joining. See ya, man. Have a good night. Varun, I feel if VO2 have more time, we can test it more. 8-second make feel. I mean, 8 seconds is a lot. Kling and all those models are giving 5 seconds. So I thought VO will be 5 seconds. So that's one of the thing I loved about VO is they're giving you 8-second videos as an output, which is I think the max right now in any other video model. Okay, so I think it's already 10:30 and my S3 upload is working. I'm very happy today. Like in just one day, we were able to have audio video uploading feature enabled. And I was talking to someone today. He told me I can add one more feature on this, that give an AI option somewhere here. So even specifically for this meme-a-thon, they said like people will be not very creative to click on add text and adding these texts. So they can just write a prompt and AI will be like making the meme for them and give them like 4-5 options. And I think that's not a very tough task. So let's see if I can sit tomorrow and add that feature too. But first I have to finish this thing, obviously. Okay, so what it is showing now, to make all content S3 bucket publicly accessible, configure, go to replace PostHandle with your, add a policy, replace bucket with your bucket name if different. Click save changes, turn off block. Yes, this is already done. Disabled. So this I have to just add this permissions and then maybe edit statements. In statements I have this section I have to add. Is it SID? I'm very scared to add this because this is coming. So this is the outer bucket, maybe like this. Let's see if that access denied error is still there. Oh yeah, it's working now. Yes, 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 yes. So now we can even upload the videos and they will be showing up on this timeline. Let's see if we upload this video. Okay, bye. See ya. See ya. Let's go. Good night. Good night, guys. Sometime I feel why Google make moves slow, but there is a big reason behind that. Yes, exactly. So see, my video is here. It's coming from server 2, like it's uploaded on my server bucket. So the upload of our video and audio is working perfectly fine now. This is crazy, right? I'm super duper happy with just one day. I mean, in this AI era, this is possible. Wow. So this video in its entirety like this is uploaded. And you know, I can just add any, like let's say this one. Oh, we'll delete this one. Let's see if with this I can add. Will this work? I'm just testing it out. While my friend on a solo trip and I am sitting home. So this is a meme with a uploaded video. Let's see. I just want to test if this video template has the URL so it can even render it on the server. Otherwise, I'll have to just fix few things and this will be like done. Shubham, you can make a clip on your version on a iShow speed. iShow speed? I mean, there is nothing relatable between me and iShow speed. So I do not want to even come close to that kind of personality. It's like a complete personality clash. Please download and please work. So it downloaded, and if it works, I will be like super happy. Wow. You see, a clip which was on my computer is now rendered with a meme on PostHandle. This is crazy. So this worked. This worked. This was a very successful stream, I would say. So yeah, thank you everyone. Thank you for joining today. I'll be seeing you on Monday. Have a very good weekend. Enjoy on your Saturday and Sundays.